Updated move-in-ready townhome in Hardison Hills community in Franklin, Tennessee. Seller is offering a 1-year 2 to 10 home warranty. 2 miles from downtown Franklin. Cozy fireplace greets you in living room. Spacious kitchen with pantry and mostly stainless appliances replaced, 2018. Flooring, hard surface downstairs/carpet upstairs. Improved unit with updated sinks, vanities, lighting/ceiling fans. Pass-through window from kitchen opens to kitchen. Stylish patio offers privacy for morning coffee or entertaining. 2 designated parking spots just outside the front door. HOA has replaced roof, sidewalks and landscaping in the last 2 years. Community amenities include spacious pool and green space.